fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebi, and yes, this is me at home right now on my bed, and I'm so excited to be filming because this is like the first video that I'm filming in almost like 3 weeks, and that's because I traveled for my daddy's funeral and I'm back. And you guys, it went so well. For those of you who care to know, it went so well. Thank you guys for your prayers, for your consent, for your good wishes. I really appreciate you guys. And well, yeah, this is the best video for me to resume filming with because it's going to be a skincare review. And you guys, believe me, I look better now. I've been back for almost like 2 weeks from the funeral, and if you had seen me as of 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, when I was in the heat of the whole planning and the actual funeral itself, you wouldn't have recognized me because you guys, stress doesn't do well on me. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it so you guys can see what I was looking like then. I was way darker, especially in my face, because I always get like sunburn in my face, especially because I wasn't doing my skincare all that period. I wasn't really taking care of myself, I'm not going to lie, because I was too stressed out and the emotional baggage was just a lot for me. So I was way darker in the face. I had pimples, I had rashes. I don't know if I was reacting to the water in the village or stuff, but you guys, my skin was not it at all. It's even way better now. Let me just tell you guys, it's way better now because I'm a bit more relaxed. So I'm going to be reviewing a skincare brand in this video. This is a skincare brand called Skinfinite. I'm going to be inserting their Instagram handle for you guys to go check them out. It's a Nigerian brand. It's a new brand. So they sent this to me about over a month ago, but I couldn't start using them because I really needed to be settled, and at that time I was still planning my daddy's funeral. So now that I'm back and settled and I can give the products a try and let you guys know like over time how it works on me, I'm going to be unboxing and opening this to let you guys know what was said. The intention is to use them for like a period of say 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'll be documenting the progress that I'm seeing, and at the end of the day I'll let you guys know my overall very honest and detailed review. So let me show you guys what they sent to me. So this is the Skinfinite Lush Moisturizing Body Lotion. Ooh, there's an entire body lotion. Okay, Skinfinite. Okay, 100% natural skincare. It contains aloe vera and niacinamide, restoring, rejuvenating, and moisturizing. This came at the perfect time because I think I just ran out of my body lotion and I was trying to switch to something different. So let me see how I like this one, and then I'll let you guys know. Oh, sorry, this is the cover. I like the packaging. I actually like it. I like when creams come with a pump actually. Okay, so this one is the Lush black soap. I have a thing for black soap. The black soap, I use black soap. So because this is black soap, I'm already comfortable with it and I'm excited to see how this works. So this is the Skinfinite African black soap. Can you guys see? Okay, it contains neem and sandalwood. It rejuvenates, repairs, and moisturizes. Okay, this is the Skinfinite 100% natural skincare Jade balancing toner. So this is a toner, you guys. All right, formulated to soothe the skin and has anti-inflammatory properties and gets rid of acne. Please, I don't have oily skin. I don't usually have acne, but I have acne when I am stressed out and when it's about that time of the month. So those are the two times you see acne, and they often appear like here, my forehead area. That's usually where I get them. Then over here I have the Skinfinite 5% niacinamide booster serum. This is a serum. I've not really used serum per se. This is going to be my first time trying out serum. This is the last thing here, and this is the Skinfinite Lush Face cream. This is a face cream. Contains aloe vera, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, restoring, rejuvenating, and moisturizing. For me, this is going to be the product. This is very likely going to be the product I'm going to be most critical about because guys, if I go a week without applying the normal face cream that I use, because I have my face cream that I already use, if I go a week without applying that, my face goes like 2 shades darker than the rest of my body. So I'm going to be leaving that one for now and trying this one out, and I'm hoping to God that it works. So yeah, this is everything that I have from Skinfinite, and I am going to be using everything and letting you guys know my thoughts and my very honest review on everything. So you guys, yeah, I can't wait to get started. By the way, today is this is the 12th of August. So hey guys, so I've gone ahead to have my bath, and I want to give you guys a first impression of the Skinfinite products that I've used so far, and as well as used the others in front of you guys here on camera. So I took my bath using the African black soap from Skinfinite, and what I have to say about this one is that it lathers all right. It doesn't lather as much as like the black soap that I already use, neither does it lather less than some that I've used. Like, it's okay. So the instruction is just to take some of it and then rub it all over your skin, and then you scrub off or you rinse off. So that was what I did. I took some of it in my hands, rubbed it all over my body, rubbed on my face. I allowed the one on my face stay for a couple of minutes while I showered the rest of my body, and then I finished up by rinsing off my face. So this lathered all right, and I notice that it smells like regular black soap. It doesn't seem to have like too much of an artificial fragrance, which is what I like. Then after taking my bath, I used the moisturizing body lotion. Now this lotion feels very different from anything that I've used in the past. I have to state that this lotion feels very lightweight. When you apply it, you don't feel like you've applied some, there's some body lotions that you apply and you feel like your skin is thick and you feel like you really applied something. And can you guys see, it's not oily. It doesn't come off as oily. It just disappears into the skin. It feels like something that is water based but very moisturizing also. Can you guys see how it disappears into my skin? It's not oily whatsoever, and it smells very natural. Like, to me, it smells like a blend of fruit. It smells so natural. So if you're very big on artificial fragrances, I don't know, you may not like this, because it smells very natural. Like, it smells like smoothie. That is what it smells like, a smoothie. Yeah, so I guess I will know the other effects with continuous use. So that is the initial first impression of this one. Then I toned my face using the toner. This is their Jade balancing toner, and this one again smells very natural. It reminds me a lot of cucumber, the way cucumber smells. And I had to check the list of ingredients, and there was cucumber here along with other things like glycerin, aloe leaf juice and other stuff, citric acid. Like, it didn't feel extremely drying, and the instruction says to use a cotton pad to apply it on wet skin. Look at the cotton pad that I just used. Can you guys see the amount of dirt that came out of this? You guys look at that. And it didn't strip my skin of moisture. It didn't leave my skin feeling dry. There was still some moisture as I was using it to wipe my face. So it smells extremely natural. It doesn't feel dry, and it doesn't sting your skin, and yeah, the products smell really natural. I don't think I've ever used any skincare product that smelled this natural before. Next thing that I want to do is to apply the serum, after which I'm going to apply the face cream. Now, I know face creams I usually apply my face creams at night because I don't go out and the sun doesn't get to interact with the product of my face, which is best if you want it to work for you. But because I'm home all day, I'm going to apply everything, and I just want to, for the purpose of this video, for you guys to see how I apply it. So the instruction here says is apply a small amount of the toner of the serum into your palm or fingertips and then gently massage into the face. So I'm just going to apply a bit of this into my palm and then apply on my face. So let me take a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that's not too much. This smells very similar to the toner. It smells very natural, like has some cucumber. It feels a bit cool on the skin, not like cold, but I took like a few more drops. you guys see the moisture in my skin as I'm applying this? Anything I do to my face, I like to also do to my neck. The last one I'll be doing is to apply the face cream, and the instruction here says take a small amount of the cream into your palm and gently massage onto the face. Lush cream would immediately give you a refreshing feel. Okay, look at it's sealed. It smells a lot like the body lotion. It smells a lot like that. This definitely is thicker than the body moisturizer and the body lotion. Oh yeah, this is definitely not lightweight. It feels like I applied something. It's not lightweight like the body lotion. I actually feel this like I applied something, and this is kind of like how the face cream that I usually use feels. You feel like yes, you applied something. It smells extremely natural. It smells like a blend of fruits or something, or vegetables. I like to pay extra attention to my eye area, so I go back with just a little bit with the tip of my finger and just apply, because you guys, I have eye bags. This area tends to get dark if I leave it on its own, so I focus here too because of crow's feet. I'm trying to look as young as we can for as long as we can. And I'm done. I'm not stepping out for the rest of the day, so that will give the product time to work. My plan is to use these two only at night, and the rest will be used other times. Guys, welcome back. So I'm here to give you guys the final update and final review of the products by the skincare brand Skinfinite. So today is actually the 16th of September, so this makes it over a month that I've been using these products, and I have to tell you guys my final thoughts. I want to tell you guys my final thoughts on them. So I have the products here. This is the soap. You guys can see that it's empty. This is empty right now. Then I have some of the other products. Look at this one. This is the face toner. This is the face cream. The face cream is like halfway gone. Then I have the body lotion. The body lotion, from what I can feel, is somewhere around here. I use it every day. Then the serum also. The serum is, I don't think you guys can see, it's about here right now. I use it daily also. This is everything. So you guys, the body lotion, I use it every day. I use it only during the daytime, not at night, and when I go out I don't sweat. It's lightweight, and that's why I'm actually putting on this outfit so that you guys can see like my skin and everything. So I can say that the product didn't lighten me or darken me, which is what I want. I do not want, when I'm buying a product, I don't want something that's going to alter my skin color. If not for anything, it should just make my skin tone blend all through. Then for the serum, I actually have just the serum on right now. The serum, I find it to be extremely moisturizing, which is what I like about it. Then the body, the soap, the black soap, I think it did really well for my skin. I didn't notice any skin irritations, no discolorations, nothing whatsoever. Then the toner also, I've talked about how it smells so natural. I really enjoyed using this. The face cream, now you guys, the face cream, just as I mentioned before, is the product that I'm most critical about. This one, I can say on a scale of 1 to 100, impressed me at about, say, a 70. And I'll say a 70 because I noticed that I was getting slightly darker in the face, but I didn't get as dark as I would have been if I wasn't using anything. So the product actually would score like a 70 over 100 in my opinion. Then I don't know, another thing that I observed while I was using the skincare product, especially on my face, was that I was having breakout on my face. I usually have breakouts when it's that time of the month, guys. So but with Skinfinite, I noticed that I had a little more breakouts than I usually would, and probably in some areas that I usually don't have breakouts. For instance, I usually have breakouts in this area right here or around my lip. These are the areas that I get breakouts, you know, my forehead area, like my T-zone basically. But when I was doing the product, I noticed I had some breakouts in my cheek area. So I think that was probably my skin adjusting to it, but otherwise I didn't notice any negative effects from using the product. So overall, I liked it. The only thing that I already told you guys was this one. I think this did well, but it could probably do better. So if you're someone that suffers with hyperpigmentation and everything, I can recommend this, but I don't think it may be strong enough. If you have like serious hyperpigmentation or sunburns, it may not be very strong enough to tackle all your sunburn issues. But was it above average? Yes, it was. So I'm going to end the video here, you guys. This is my honest review. Is it a skincare brand that I'll recommend? Yes, because believe me guys, I've used skincare brands before that actually gave me very terrible reactions, and I didn't have any of that with this one. So yes, I commend Skinfinite. I'm going to be linking their Instagram handle over there, and the products are pretty much affordable, and it's a Nigerian brand. So buy Nigerian, support Nigerian brands. And yes, let me just end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. So also give this video a thumbs up and to comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.